In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell gift cards on Squarespace, step-by-step tutorial. First, sign in to your Squarespace site and open your website dashboard. From the main navigation, head into Pages, then open your shop. This takes you to the area where your products live and where you'll add or edit your gift card product. Inside the shop, create or open a gift card product. Squarespace has a dedicated gift card type, which makes setup simple and ensures buyers receive a unique code automatically via email after purchase. In the product editor, start by giving your gift card a clear, customer-friendly name and a short description that explains how it works, any restrictions, and whether it's redeemable online, in-store, or both. If you have a cover image or simple graphic, you can add it here to make the product stand out. Next, set the purchase amounts. Gift cards typically use preset denominations, so add a few variants such as different dollar values. Keep the options limited and easy to choose. If you offer custom amounts, note your policy in the description so customers know what to expect. Scroll down to organize the product. Add it to one or more categories so it appears in the right sections of your store's navigation. Then apply tags to connect it with related products behind the scenes. Tags won't show in your storefront, but they help with organization and recommendations. If you want extra visibility, mark the gift card as a featured product so it can appear in featured layouts or blocks across your site. While you're here, enable related or recommended products so customers browsing the gift card can easily discover other items. Review any display toggles you see and adjust them to match your store's style. Open the social share settings and set a share image and caption that look good on platforms like Facebook or X. This helps your gift card preview cleanly when someone shares the link. Then visit the SEO and URL section to refine the product slug, SEO title, and description. Keep the URL short and readable, and use keywords like gift card and your brand name to improve search visibility. If you want the gift card to go live later, use schedule to pick a date and time. If you prefer to publish immediately, close scheduling and continue. When everything looks right, click Save. Confirm any prompts to save again so your changes are published to the store. That's it. Your gift card is now set up, categorized, and ready to sell, and Squarespace